So we have a Mini Cooper water pump failure. Went ahead and did timing chains. Not that that's a part of the job at all. Let's show you this. Brought to you by Way Too Much Money Flashlight. See that name? It's short for Way Too Much Money. So, if you guys can see it, there it is. This is the water pump. So fully off as I'm pulling it off. Let's talk about it. I don't think it's that bad. Don't see nothing wrong here. We're doing the wheel bearings today. I'm a little Bessie. And I already did the other side, and then I was like, holy crap, I need to make a video about this. About halfway through the second side, I remember again, as my buddy Adam goes to get one of the idler arms. Since I'm pulling hard right, I've had this ABS coat for a long time. I don't know if you guys saw all that metal dirt on the ABS sensor. It's got a magnetic pickup. And the tone ring picks up off of this magnetic sensor. There's some of that metal debris. So we're gonna wipe all that off. And then we're going to replace these braces and bearings. First things first, we're going to take a little gal here. This is your seal puller. And we're going to pull out this seal. Since it's so flush, you have a hook side and a plier side. Because it is relatively tight. We're going to go in like this. Get under. Wiggle it back into the seal. That. For those of you that like fighting it with screwdrivers, you don't have to do that. So the next step, drive out our race. We've got this punch that I got for your crown. It's just a knockoff snap-on tool. Down in here, either side, they do make a bearing and race puller. So down in here, you can feel your lip. You hook it in, and you give it a whack. Alternate sides and then give it a whack. I'm not going to be able to show you guys this until Adam gets back. I'm going to keep pressing ahead. That's the okay, so races came out. One. The other one is around here somewhere. Underneath it. It's underneath it. That's Adam. Hi guys. it's MMTS number 2. Yeah. So tap our new race in. We're going to do the other side too. I like to use the old one, the old bearing, to knock it the rest of the way in. So we're going to clean up that bearing, knock it in there, press it the rest of the way in. Alright guys, welcome to Joe's channel. I am messing with an idler arm at the moment. Learning myself so you guys can learn with me. So, right here, that's your idler arm. You guys can kind of see it. If you look right here, that bushing's not too pretty. Yeah. There it is. So y'all see that. It's definitely not supposed to have that much movement in your suspension. So if your tires are moving like that, you probably need to take a look at the stuff. Alright, so we gotta take all this apart, tie rods, all that fun stuff. Take the bolts out obviously. And then we'll go over torque specs with you guys whenever we get to that point. Right now I'm just going to start taking things apart so I can get to this idler and pull it out. I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so we got our races installed. That was just a combination of using the old bearings and races to pound in the new races, and then they sit and you start hearing a tinging whenever you're on the ground and you're there. You set the hub back in. I didn't have to break off the rotor. But we put that all back in. Make sure and pack these things full of grease. Not to where it's coming out, but you've got a seal on the back side that we installed. And pack it with grease. Pack your grease cap. And then you put it to torque spec. I believe, what was the torque spec, Adam? Like 175?
177 is what they said on that. I always say like
just depends, because we tried to torque it down earlier, it seemed like it didn't need all 177. So
Yep.
just kind of go to where it feels like it has a little bit of restriction to it, but it still spins freely.
Yeah.
That's usually a good spot.
There is also a keyway for your cotter key. So what I like to do, preload the bearings, back it off, reset it to where there's light resistance against the bearings, set it, make sure you get your cotter key.
Morton's Mobile Tech. We're going out to Piedmont in the rain. Got the 7-year-old with me, and we're going to look at. She doesn't know what we're going to look at. We're going to look at a dump truck, and it has a no start.
It looks like we're going to like a dump truck station, or a dump truck station.
We're going to Piedmont, America.
Sounds like it's
At the
far.
stop sign, turn right onto North
We're going to turn
Leno.
right. But we're going to go figure out what's wrong with it, and trying to get back into recording these videos. Trying to bring the kids around since Morton's Mobile's about to go Morton's full time. So, hope to talk to y'all soon.